Executive Director Edwin Busilius, and thank you also our friends sa media for this press conference. First, I would like to congratulate the Philippine Cooperative Movement for our Cooperative Month celebration. Mga kooperatiba natin ngayon October is a cooperative month, and this is also timely that we have to look into our cooperative identity. What is a cooperative all about? Considering that there are some amendments. No? Right now, there's a ongoing lobbying on what might be this co-op principle all about, and what will be the driving force, how cooperative can support the government. Maraming issues kasi sa kooperatiba. Nandiyan na yung transport, lalo na yung transport cooperative natin ngayon. Ito yung pinakamalaking issue, no? Lalo na sa modernization program, kung full ba talaga na swing ang support sa government in the implementation, or it can run two ways, no? Yung traditional at saka yung transport, yung logi dito ang mga ano pa rin, no? Hindi pa rin na modernized, no? The other thing also that we are so concerned is especially the amendments that will become cooperatives, will become a corporation para bang maging tax exempted ka lang, pwede ka nang mag-cooperative, but you run just like a corporation. So these are two things, no? And marami rin kaming mga concerns. Salamat po sa Board of Trustees ng Co-op Chamber. An example for isa pa rin doon is the CETF na mga issues, no? Na maybe some of our trustees also can discuss more thoroughly on that. And likewise, meron kaming concern doon sa Community Development Fund that we are lobbying for that. Ang sa law, no, na it always be guided by these principles, lalo na yung voluntary and open membership ng mga kooperatiba to other federations. So we are open for any discussions. Ang ipalalim ko lang dito talaga is ito na yung concerns ngayon na kapag federation ka, tatlong layer kasi ang co-ops eh. Meron tayong primary cooperative. Ito yung mga member are the individual persons, no? And then yung federations, ito yung mga tawag natin doon sa primary individual members. Ang primary naman, naging member ng federations. Nandito yung insurance, nandito yung banking, nandito yung mga training, nandito rin yung mga tawag natin dito federations na nagbigay ng support rin sa mga primaries through loans, no? Ito yung tinatawag na gusto ng amendments na kung primary ang democratic control will be practiced, no? One co-op, one vote. But federation, ang gusto ng law natin na pwede makapili ang federation, pwede siya mag one co-op, one vote, maximum of 5 votes, pero they can also opt to use the shared voting. And palaliman pa namin bakit ang banking cooperative maraming hindi successful, o because yun ang model nila na shared voting. Hindi talaga lalaki kung shared voting because it's very exclusive. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-join unless somebody will open the shares. Ganun ang share voting. Para siyang corporation na hindi ka pwede maka-join unless an owner will sell his shares, no? Ito kasi sa one co-op, one vote, ibig sabihin, all cooperatives is entitled to join. Yun kasi ang principle doon eh. Regardless of your share capital, one co-op, one vote ka lang. Kung malaki naman yung capital mo doon, then you can get the bigger share of the interest ng patronage fund kung mag-income ang federation na kooperatiba. Yun ang mga kaibahan.